So guys, I know I posted that video about that fidget, and then I got this too. It lights up. It just not plugged up right now. Oh, so I'm gonna be recording my clothes that I got. Okay. Oh. Move. So first up, we got this vest. It is literally so cute. Pause for a second. Okay. Like I said, this vest is so cute. And I have to show it like that. Hold on. So I had to move it. Anyway. Next we got, oh yes, my Betty Boo. Again.
You love Betty Boo.
I got a Betty Boo hoodie.
I know, I saw it. My mom
Where the
got a Betty Boo hoodie too. With the hood, it's cute. I love Betty Boo too.
Next,
I saw that. Trying to bite me.
next I got these slippers. Shoot.
No, don't you dare.
Then I got
That was it.
this hoodie.
Hear this? Ow.
Next,
Ow.
oh, this goes with the this that
What's that?
goes
Dress?
with this. This
That's your dress.
goes with this. Yes.
You're gonna have to. You might wear that tomorrow or something. It's gonna start getting
And then
cold.
this stuff.
Shirt.
It's not mine.
You look like school.
School shirts.
This
Those
is
are-
cute though. I like this one. The dress and the white shirt.
And then my mama had got this
Oh, for the car.
and that's it. Bye guys.